We have invested in industry-leading, high-precision production and test facilities, including 5-axis machining center, boring and milling machine, CNC grinding machine, as well as 3-dimensional coordinate measuring machine. These facilities are imported from Germany, Japan, Austria, and other countries. In addition, we have designed and constructed the largest compression testing lab in China. Another lab is specially built for testing the performance of both ice makers and water chilling systems. With the use of all these state-of-the-art production facilities and instruments, we ensure that our product's quality reaches the international advanced level. Competitive advantages in brand name, technology, quality, cost, and R&D capability have helped to solidify our leading position in the industrial ice maker industry. Presently, our products can be found in more than 100 countries and regions. We have won the Industrial Product Manufacturing License, as well as countless internationally recognized certifications, including CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, and ASME